Hi, I'm attorney Alexis Johnson of the AFJ Law Group, and I started my practice with the goal of helping small business owners begin, grow, and protect their success. So this video is going to talk about common mistakes that I notice new business owners make when they're just starting out from a business attorney's perspective. It's so easy to get overwhelmed when you're just starting your business because you're listening to advice from friends, family, trusted advisors, and you want to make sure that you're doing everything right. But it's often at that time that you can overlook even the most simple thing. So this video is going to dive into some common mistakes that I notice new business owners make and how you can avoid them when you're starting your business. So let's get started. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So you want to start a small business. That's awesome. I love working with new business owners because the passion is contagious. And really, you've got to have passion if you're running a small business because you have to take this idea that you have in your head and stay motivated to bring it to fruition while critically evaluating milestones along the way to make sure that you're headed towards success. But as a business attorney, I notice that there are several common mistakes that new business owners make. And I think that this is for two reasons. First, it's a lack of knowledge. They simply just don't know any better. The second is because you can get overwhelmed by all of the decisions involved in the beginning of the process. And it's hard to conceptualize the impact that these decisions can have on liability as well as the longevity of your company when you're just at the beginning. So I made this video because I wanted to talk about some of those common mistakes. But if you're interested in starting a new business, or if you already have a business and you have questions, please reach out to my team. We can be reached at afjlawgroup.com, or you can call or text us at 248-266-2135. Please also like and subscribe to the AFJ Law Group YouTube channel so that you can continue to receive informative legal videos like this one. So let's get into those common mistakes for new business owners and how you can avoid them. New business owners have a lot of areas to focus on, specifically marketing their products and services so that they can attract customers and bring in revenue. However, sometimes business owners are so focused on getting their business up and running that they forget to focus on certain legal considerations involved with running the business, which can make or break the longevity and success. So based on my experience, here are some common mistakes that business owners make that set them up for failure down the line. Number one is failing to set up the right business structure. Choosing the right business structure means understanding the benefits and drawbacks of each. For example, if you set yourself up as a sole proprietor, then you have to understand that you and your business are considered one in the legal system, which puts all of your personal assets at risk. If you'd like a better understanding on common business structures, check out our video on Business Types 101, which I'll link to in the comments. The next mistake is improper use of contracts. In business, contracts are important because they outline expectation for both parties and protect both parties if those expectations aren't met, as well as lock in a price that would be paid for service. Sometimes, especially when starting out, you may not feel the need to utilize a contract when you're dealing with someone you know or you believe that you have a verbal understanding. This is a mistake. Contracts don't need to be viewed adversarially, but instead, you should understand that they act as tools for structuring the relationship and recording what the parties have agreed to do for and with each other. Without them, it becomes a he said, she said situation, which doesn't benefit either party. As a business owner, if you have employees, you have a legal and ethical responsibility to document everything and keep accurate records. This includes records from the first day paperwork to the day that they leave, including exit interviews. Beyond maintaining the employee files based on what you need from the first day, you should also document employee performance. Sometimes new business owners do not consider the possibility of employee record retention because it seems so far away. However, if you don't have the proper procedures in place that are required in order to provide what's necessary under state and federal laws, you may eventually face serious sanctions such as closure of your business and, in some instances, jail time. The last mistake we'll discuss for this video is not using an attorney. A lot of small business owners are of the mindset that they'll wait to hire a lawyer until they quote-unquote need one, aka when they get sued. This is an understandable position given limited budgetary concerns, especially in the beginning. The problem is, if you wait to hire a lawyer until you're already in litigation, you're behind and at risk of spending a lot more money on an attorney than you would be if you'd worked with one in the beginning. Having a lawyer assist you while launching your business, as well as navigating issues that arise while your business grows, sets you up for success and actually can be more cost-effective because it avoids unnecessary litigation in a meaningful way than playing the wait-and-see game.